Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nusyakin bin Muhammad Nasir, matric numbers 255452. So, I will present about the definition of house financing I and the concept that be used by the AmBank to provide house financing I services. So, we go for the first, which is definition. Some of the banks have provided house financing I services, especially Islamic banking institutions. AmBank Group also take a part to provide this service. The first thing needs to know is what is the house financing I services. House financing I is a Sharia-based financing facility to finance the purchase of all types of residential properties, including house, flats, apartment, or condominiums. It can also be used to refinance existing facilities taken either from the conventional housing loan or other house financing I scheme. Next, we go to the Sharia concept used for this product. The Sharia concept applicable are tawarruk, murabahah, wakalah, and wa'ad. So we go first to the tawarruk. Tawarruk means an arrangement that involves two sale and purchase contract. The first involves the sale of the commodity by the bank to the customer or deferred payment at cost plus profit basis, whereby the purchase price and the sale price are disclosed to the customer. So, the customer will sell the same commodity to the third party on cash and spot basis. Second, we go to the murabahah. Murabahah refers to a sale and purchase of a commodity where the acquisition cost and the markup are disclosed to the customer. A customer who is in need to acquire a house approaches the Islamic bank and applies for finance through murabahah, which is markup sale transaction. As per customer financing requirement, bank assesses the customer's creditworthiness and approve the request. Then, the bank seeks an undertaking from the customer to buy the house from the bank once later purchases the same and takes the possession thereof. Along with other details, the bank profit is also stipulated in such undertaking. Third is wakalah. Wakalah refers to a contract in which a part as principal, which means muwakil, authorize another party as agent, which is wakil, to perform a particular task in a matter that may be delegated with or without the imposition of a fee. In this product, which it means house financing I in AmBank, appoint the bank as an unrestricted agent to perform the tawarruk arrangement. And lastly, wa'ad. Wa'ad means an unliteral promise which cannot an expression of willingness of a person or a group or person on the particular subject matter. In a commercial transaction, a promise has dual meaning. This is because in an unliteral contract, the offer of the offerer is known as a promise, while in a bilateral contract, the acceptance of the offeree is also known as a promise. The application of promise can be seen in the several Islamic transaction concepts. The contract must follow the base rate that's set by BNM. Now, the base rate. Base rate is the reference rate used as the basis for pricing retail financing facilities. The BR is determined based on the bank benchmark cost of fund (COF) and the statutory reserve requirement (SRR) imposed by Bank Negara Malaysia. In other hand, in the future, the contract will change because to follow the base rate. For example, if the last time agreement is 3% the base that stated by BNN and today is 2.5%, so the agreement will change and follow the current base rate.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fisul bin Azizan, number matric 256101. Okay, now I will explain about how this product important to the community. Okay. Firstly, this product can ease the burden by borrower in buying a house. In AmBank Islamic, they will give the customer the opportunity to buy a house by a loan. Okay. In AmBank Islamic also can will not charge the higher interest rate in a loan if we compare to the conventional loan. Okay. Next, in AmBank Islamic also can ensure the safety of customer that taking this product. That proved by a takaful offer given by the AmBank Islamic. Okay. The takaful are given to ensure the safety during the housing construction process until the that process are complete. For the example of the takaful is the fire takaful and mortgage reduction team takaful or MRTT. Okay, next, this financing also can make easier for the borrower to settle all payment without the charge and or the fee. If the borrower wish to the settle his debt before the stipulated period, the bank will not charge a additional fee on the debt transaction. Okay. Finally, this product also can reduce the percent of young people who go bankrupt due the housing loan debt. Now there are many of bankruptcy issues on the young generation in terms of the loan crisis. So AmBank Islamic believes that their product can help to reduce the issue on the loan. This product also can give a chance for the borrower to set up their monthly budgeting. Okay, so customer can organize their budgeting by taking this product. Okay, a good planning of the budgeting can help to the customer to do the payment on the loan. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hazi Fikri bin Zamri and my numeric is 259535. So I'm going to present the modus operandi for house financing AmBank. Home financing is a Sharia compliance product that helps people in purchasing of residential properties. The profit of the product is calculated based on variable rate. The Sharia concept applicable for this product is tawarruk. Tawarruk means an agreement that involves two sale and purchase contract. The first involves plus profit basis whereby the purchase price and the sale price are disclosed to the customer. Subsequently, the customer will sell the same commodity to a third party on cash and spot basis. The tawarruk are used as following. Firstly, the customer appoint the bank as their agent to purchase the Sharia compliance product, such that they want sale and the bank will sell it to any third party. Then the bank sell the agri commodity to the customer at the bank selling price on installment. As a purchaser, the customer have the right to take delivery of the commodity at their own cost and expenses. Next, the bank sells the commodity on the customer behalf to any third party for a price equal to the facility amount. Lastly, the proceed of the sale must be according to the agreed terms and condition of both and bank customer. The customer get the money to buy a house by using the money from the selling of commodities. The bank only act as a middle person for the customer to get the amount of money needed so that the customer can buy the house that they want. The way for the customer of the home financing to pay bank the amount of money is through musyarakah, mutanakisa, or we also can call it as a diminishing musyarakah. So as you can see in the diagram, there is the modus operandi for the house financing AmBank.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afi Ashraf bin Arshad. So I will continue the presentation on how to apply hire purchase in our bank. So basically, there are two ways on how to apply this product in our bank. The first way is you can directly straight to our counter and ask them you want to apply this hire purchase and they will assist you. So you need to fulfill the form, the requirement needed. So the second way is you can apply this hire purchase I through our website. So I will explain to you on how to apply this product in our website. So the first step is you need to visit to AmBank Group Berhad official website, which is www.ambank.com.my. So in this website, there are many type of product and services that you can choose. For example, for deposit, we have saving account, current account, and term deposit account. Besides that, you can do any transaction in this website. The second step is you need to search for home property financing I and click apply now. So the third step is you need to fulfill the form with your detail and click submit. So as you can see here, there are many products that we offered. You can choose which product that you want, such as saving account, current account, fixed term deposit, ASB financing, auto financing, and many more. So for hire purchase I, you need to click home financing, and you need to fulfill form at your right, which is your name, your IC number, your current number, and click submit. Finally, the last step is after you submit the application form, you must wait a few days to get approval from the officer. They will contact you after they have reviewed your application form.
Hi, my name is Saifuraimi bin Amran, and my matric number is 255427, and I will talk about our targeted community for the house financing I. Since house financing I is a Sharia-based financing facility to finance the purchase of all type residential properties, including house, flats, apartments, or condominiums. So our targeted community is quite big and not very specific because of this financing support many types of residential properties. Our target community could be a middle-aged single guy, single man or woman from M40 economic class who want to buy a nice apartment, or it could be a married couples who want to settle down in a semi-D house in a decent town, or it also could be a first time home buyer for those who has lower credit or lower credit score looking for a PPR home financing. So we decide to share the video to all economic classes community, or I could say to everyone, since it is suitable mostly for everyone. For the medium, we will use social media platform for advertisement, with the assumption most of the people nowadays have a social media account like Facebook or Instagram, or at least YouTube account.